Okay, take two. No oncoming, although possibly slapping trees. Who knows? I don't know what that thump was.
Ran over some branches.
Okay.
Yeah, he was cruising through here, so it's gonna be freaking sandy, dusty.
The fog of the unknown, America.
Pretty cool little trail.
Oh, yeah.
Nice little party spots here and there.
Another little spot.
Down trees.
Lots of down trees, agreed.
Lots of up trees too.
Smack.
There's the pine forest. There's a little bit of variety of trees out along the path. There's all kinds of places. I'm pretty sure this goes up to the power lines.
Right on.
Another
Party spot.
other side spot. Another seasonal road that I've
Damn, that one was loud.
been able to get acquainted with.
This will shall explode. On the plus side, America, you can see that we've actually cleaned the car window. Where are we? Oh,
Now we're on the power lines.
now we are on the dusty old power lines. All right. Now this has got more sun, so let's shades up. See if we can hold the camera. I might stretch my arms out again, guys, but right now I'm leaning back and just trying to jiggle, not lose my neck. Jiggly, wiggly, 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 wiggly butt.
Ways. I'm just trying to remember how to get into that road going back.
Ah,
For another alternative route.
excuse me, everyone. Wondering, was this about where I walked to? I think this is about where I walked to when I was mad at you that one time.
Really?
I don't know. I walked
Long
from.
ass way from our house.
Yeah, well, I drove out to that one spot I showed you at the beginning, and then I think I walked half a mile or a mile, following the power lines, and then walked back.
Up by, did you go up the forest road by Mike's?
No, wherever we came in at today. When we first crossed the power
Okay.
lines, I said this is where I went to go cry.
Okay. Maybe you did go all the way up to it.
I don't know. It was a long walk. A long walk back, so I was telling myself not to stay to the car. Oh man, this thing is waggling my neck out, joint. My arm is not happy.
Alright, we'll wiggle your
Oh, my neck.
get back to the sand. It's going to be a nice slow drop.
Thank you, sir. Trying to hold myself up with my neck and my head, and I'm about to get nauseated.
Just know that this sand road is got a lot of washboards.
Yeah. It's tough on either side.
Trying to do an alternative. See what
I don't know, it's good to know where things connect, maybe.
it is. Yeah, the cool thing is there's 3 different trails that go up. There's 2 main ones and one up the middle.
Oh.
Top of one of these is the donut hole.
I think I might be good on the donut hole.
What?
I think I might be good on that today.
It's just like the ones at the sand dunes.
I know, but
Right there.
I see that. All I can hear in my head is that freaking recording. A human head weighs 10 pounds.
And that's why they shut down the one in the middle of the forest, because people leave their freaking all their trash.
Are we going past the store again, or what?
Well, unless you want to turn around and go back out this way.
No, God, no. Way too damn green around the gills right now. In fact, if we could go home by the neighbor we were at, that would be nice. I wouldn't have to worry about holding my head. I don't know how many more feet of this we got to get through to get to the store. Dear God.
We're not far from the store. Not far after the top of this next hill.
Okay.
Want me to stop for a minute?
No, I want to get off this road.